If you want to remove almost anything in Adobe Lightroom quickly and easily, this video is for you. Whether you're getting rid of a distracting person in the background, a small blemish, a power line, or even cleaning up a photo for a more professional look, Lightroom gives you a few powerful tools to do it. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert to get started. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to remove objects in Lightroom using the Remove tool, the Healing tool, and the Clone tool. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy photo editing tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your photo in Adobe Lightroom. Once your image is loaded, look for the Remove option in the editing panel. This is the tool you'll want to use first because it's usually the fastest and most effective option. Click on Remove and then choose either Generative Remove or Remove depending on the version of Lightroom you're using. Generative Remove is especially useful for larger or more complex objects because it can intelligently fill in the background while keeping the photo looking natural. Now, simply brush over the object you want to get rid of. Try to cover the full object, but don't overpaint too much of the surrounding area unless necessary. After that, Lightroom will analyze the area and remove the object automatically. In many cases, that's all you need. If the result looks good, you're done. If it needs a little adjustment, you can usually try again or refine the selection for a cleaner finish. Now, let's move on to the Healing tool. This one is best for small imperfections like dust spots, tiny blemishes, or minor distractions. Select Healing, then click or brush over the spot you want to fix. Lightroom will sample nearby pixels and blend the area into the image. If the brush is too big or too small, adjust the size until it matches the area you're working on. The goal here is to keep the edit subtle so it blends naturally into the photo. Healing is perfect when you want a fast cleanup without changing the overall look of the image. Next up is the Clone tool. This is the most manual option, but it gives you more control when the automatic tools don't quite do the job. With Clone selected, choose a source area that looks similar to the part of the image you want to cover. Then paint over the object manually. Since Clone copies from the exact area you select, it works really well for edges, textures, and places where Healing or Remove might leave a strange result. It does take a little more effort, but it can save a photo when you need precision. A great workflow to remember is this. Start with Remove first, especially for bigger objects. Then use Clone for cleanup if the AI result needs help. Finally, use Healing for tiny spots and small finishing touches. That step-by-step approach gives you the cleanest results with the least amount of effort. So if you ever need to remove something in Lightroom, just remember the simple order: Remove, Clone, then Healing. It's fast, effective, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.